If you are running a rare stamp dealer business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your rare stamp dealer business. Now managing tasks like taking stamp requests, showing available rare stamps and placing multiple orders would be time consuming for you. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. Welcome to my screen everyone. As you can see, this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow, and it will automate my rare stamp dealing business by handling tasks like letting collector request stamp images, check availability, and place orders directly through WhatsApp using this chatbot. But before showing you the step-by-step process of how to build this bot, I'll show you a real-time example of how this chatbot works. For that, I'll take you to my WhatsApp. I've already connected this WhatsApp number to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now I will send a simple hi and let's see what happens. And as you can see, our chatbot responds with this welcome message. Welcome to Rare Stamp Vault. We deal in authentic, collectible stamps from around the world. What would you like to do? And I'm getting 3 quick reply buttons: available stamps, request a stamp, and place an order. If I select on this first option, as you can see, I'm getting few rare stamps. If I want this stamp, I just need to click on this button like this. And now it is asking me for the confirmation. If I click on this place an order button, now it is asking me for few details like full name, delivery address, PIN code, stamp name or code. We just need to copy this code like this and paste here. Now I will enter a price, and as you can see, now I'm getting a message of order confirmation, and these all are the details provided by me. So that's how our chatbot works. Now let's see the step-by-step process. For that, you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed, and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user, and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that, we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences, and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials, and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You'll get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows, and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before we start creating our chatbot, let's change the flow name first. On the left side, you will see 2 main sections, messages and actions. And these all are the nodes we are going to use to create our chatbot. This node here is the starting point. It's where the chatbot gets triggered and send a message to the user. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user types that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. With choose template, you can select and use any pre-approved templates. We are going to use universal regex, which means it will capture any response typed by the user and trigger our chatbot automatically. To make sure it works accurately, we will enable case sensitivity using this option right here. This ensures that the chatbot gets triggered even if the user types in uppercase or lowercase, it will recognize both. Now let's start creating our chatbot. So first, I will create a welcome message. For that, I'll drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. Because by using this node, I can enter a message and create a quick reply buttons for the user by using this option. So now I'll enter a welcome message. As you can see in the welcome message, I've used these asterisk symbols. Basically, we are using these asterisk symbol to make our font bold. You just need to type any text between two asterisk symbols and your font going to be bold. Now I will add 3 buttons. One to see available stamps, one to request for a specific stamp, and one to place an order. Now if the user selects this first option, I want to send them a list of available stamps. For that, I will drag and drop this option like this and select media button. By using this option, I can select any image from my files, or I can directly paste a link and I can use any image that I want. So I will select media type as image and enter a URL. And as you can see, our image is here. Now I will enter a caption, basically the details about this stamp. Now I will add a button. Basically this stamp contains the stamp code. By using this same process, I will add 2 more stamps in this same list. As you can see, I've added 2 more stamps in the same list. Suppose if the user selects this stamp, I want to store these information from somewhere. For that, I will use set custom field from actions. So I'll just drag and drop this option like this and select contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create a contact custom field, you can check the description box. Basically, by using contact custom field, you can store the data which is entered by the user or selected by the user. So I will select the contact custom field as stamp name and enter a value same as which is present in our text button. So whenever the user click on this button, automatically whatever the write in this value section saved in this contact custom field. So I will connect this node like this, and I will create 2 more contact custom field for these 2 stamps as well. Instead of drag and drop the same option again, you can use this duplicate option, basically a copy button, to create multiple copies of the same node. As you can see, I've changed these values and connected to their particular node. Now after getting these information, I want to confirm these details from the user. For that, I will create a confirmation message. To do this, you just need to drag and drop this option again like this. Select text plus button. As you can see in this message, I have used dollar symbol followed by a contact custom field name. Basically, this is the way you can show the data present in the particular contact custom field. If the user select this button, this value is stored in this contact custom field. If I use dollar symbol followed by the particular contact custom field name, the user can see their selected option. Now I will add 2 buttons, one to place an order and one to back to menu. I will create place an order response in few minutes, but before that I will connect this back to menu button to our main message, which is our welcome message. Now I will create response for this request stamp. For that, I will use this ask question node once again. Now I will create responses for this request stamp. For that, I will use ask question node from actions. Just drag and drop like this. This is my question. Now I will select a contact custom field, add stamp name, format as any. And before proceeding further, I will connect this node to our second quick reply button like this. Now I will create a confirmation message. Text plus button, and here is our message. We will check availability and respond shortly. Now I will create response for this place an order button. For that, I will Now I will create response for this third quick reply button, which is place an order. For that, I will use ask question node one more time. So I will drag and drop this option like this. Before proceeding further, I will connect this node to our question node. Now I will enter a question. As you can see, I am asking for their full name. Now I will select a contact custom field as name and format as any. Now I will create duplicate of this same node and changing their details. Like in the second message, I am asking for their delivery address. Now I'm asking for their pin code, their selected stamp name or code, and finally the agreed price. Now before proceeding further, I would like to connect these nodes to their previous nodes like this. Now after getting all these information, I want to confirm these details from the user. For that, I will create a confirmation message. So I'll drag and drop this option like this, select text plus button. Here as you can see, order confirmation message and the few details as you can see. Now after this, I will connect this node to our first question like this. After creating all these response, we just need to save this flow by clicking the save button like this. And our automated WhatsApp chatbot is completed, which follows these paths. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try it for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbot for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.